The baby Ella's quilt is now completed and I'm going to show you step by step how I made the edging. I've made this very simple pattern using half double crochet and single crochet, and the single crochet I've done in a camel stitch, which actually means you work into the back of the stitch. So I want to show you how I do that. Hi, my name is Lindy and thank you for joining my channel. Welcome or welcome back. If you look at the top of this half double crochet, you can see a V stitch, a front stitch and a back stitch, making a V. If we now turn this to the back, you'll see there's another stitch. That is the stitch we're going to pick up. And we're going to pick that up in single crochet. So we've done this as half double crochet, but we're going to go into the back stitch here and do a single crochet. Then we go into the next one and do a single crochet. Next one, single crochet. And so we just go along, and what it's doing is it's bringing forward this little row of stitches. So the ones that were sitting on the top are now in the front of the work. So we just keep going along here, picking up the back stitch, single crochet, and we can look at how it's forming now. Now I'm doing it in the same color because it gives a nicer effect if it's in all one color. So we're going to just continue on this row and I'll meet you here. It's going to depend, we only have one ball of yarn left, so I'm going to work out how much yarn I have left as to whether I can do another row of this. So we just continue all the way along here in single crochet. And so we're going to carry on with this round. So we've got single crochet, half double crochet, and 3 rows of camel stitch. So we're just flattening this out rather nicely. So there's our 3rd row of the camel stitch, and we just keep going. And you can see how nice it looks on that side. I think the edging suits the strong geometric shapes. My name is Lindy and thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed this series on my tutorials crocheting various granny squares for my baby Ella's quilt, please like and subscribe and you'll be notified when my next is available. Take care and bye.